Alright, so this footage is from a couple of years ago when I purchased my KM50 tooling from an auction. I bid on the tooling online. The location of the tooling and the manufacturing facility that was auctioning off the equipment was located in San Francisco. I'm located in the Puget Sound area of Washington. So after the auction and after I got my items paid for, I scheduled a 2-hour flight from the Plainfield Regional Airport. So I flew in, got my items, packaged them up, and then I took them over to UPS and shipped them to myself. After I got them packaged up, I ate lunch at a San Francisco seafood restaurant. It was a pretty cool place. They had some live lobster and pretty good selection of food. And then after I got done with lunch, got back to the airport and flew out. So I flew there, shipped the stuff to myself, and flew back within the same day. So it was a pretty busy day. A few days after I got back, my tooling arrived. And this is the unpackaging of all the tooling that I got. I think it was a pretty good score. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one and take it easy.